Hindi raw magsasorry si President-elect Rodrigo Duterte para sa mga sinabi niya tungkol sa media killing sa press con niya nitong nakarang Martes. Narito report ni Mariz Umali.
Kill journalism here, do not come here anymore because you were threatening to boycott. You do not want to come here to boycott me. Kill journalism here. If that is the threat, sinabi ko na sa hoy mga ugok, I can lose the presidency. My life, honor, just do not with me. Huwag ninyo akong takot. Boycott. Let's say kayo, di mag-boycott kayo.
Ito ang maanghang na sagot ni President-elect Rodrigo Duterte sa kanyang press conference kagabi, kaugnay sa banta ng pamboboykot ng media sa kanya.
You do not have the public outcry. You think too much. You know guys, you think too much of yourself. Huwag na nyo akong ano niya kasi presidente, vulnerable to attacks. Not me. Not me.
Iginiit niyang nangyayari raw talaga ang pagpatay sa mga periodista pero hindi niya nilalahat ang mga mamamahayag pagdating sa laganap na korupsyon sa industriya. Inisa-isa pa niya ang klase raw ng mga journalist na mayroon sa Pilipinas.
There are three kinds of journalists in this country. Those who are the crusaders telling the truth, bearing it all before the public. Then there's a second class of journalists in this country. Yun yung mga mouthpiece ng vested interest. That's what they call the publicists and the PROs. The third is the low life of journalists, accepting money from illegal sources, exposing wetting, and in return keeping shut their mouth and receive money. If there's nothing coming their way, they talk more, they destroy people and family, and they die.
Sigurado raw si Duterte na sang-ayon sa kanyang pananaw ang kapwa niya mga politiko. Dagdag niya, hindi rin naman daw tama kung ipagtatanggol at pupurihin pa ang journalist na corrupt.
Ang problema dito, every who claims to be a journalist makes money out of it, and he is killed and is glorified because he's journalist. Kung ganon, yung walang trabaho, if you do not have any work, and you have graduated from college, be a journalist and make money.
Kaya naman nanindigan siyang hindi siya hihingi ng tawad sa anumang nasabi niya tungkol sa media killings.
He's not supposed to be killed because he's a journalist. Huwag na tayo magbulaan dito. I'm saying this without excuses. No apologies, no nothing.
Hindi rin daw niya matitiyak ang proteksyon sa mga mamamahayag na may tamang layunin. Inihalin tulad niya ito sa pakikidigma.
The ones that are really bona fide journalists, you run the risk, you expose something. Corruption and all. That's a risk. It's like soldiering. You speak the truth firmly, then you invite danger. But I cannot assign to every journalist who's crusading, doing his thing, and in return being killed. At kung mag-atake kayo. Church journalism, politicians, police, all. There's a veil of hypocrisy. Let us unveil it, so that we can understand each other and live in a democracy that is run by truth and not by vested interest or people who pretend.
Mariz Umali, GMA News.